What's up, guys? It's your boy the Guy, and today, if you haven't seen my video from like days before, make sure you go check it out. Make sure you go watch it. Today's the day we're gonna be doing a engine swap in the ST. Obviously, I blew it up. I mean, cylinder one right here is out. I was getting on this thing the whole time I was coming up here, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's not sounding like a suit, but this is Mason. He has a beautiful
Built
ST right there. Built motor ST.
Yeah, we just got finished with it like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. So,
AJ's soon gonna be big turbo.
yeah.
And then he'll be built motor once he blows it.
So yeah, that for now we're gonna be swapping the motor, and I'm gonna go through the process of swapping it. If this happens to you, this is what you gotta do. This engine is actually not an ST engine. It came from the freaking Ford Escape, right? Correct? Yeah, Ford Escape. So that's what this motor is, and this is a real ST engine, which unfortunately I blew it up for some reason. So what we're doing here is we're gonna be swapping this motherfucker in here, and my man's is doing that job right now. Why didn't you disconnect the batteries or something first?
I'm about to. I'm just letting it cool down.
Oh,
It's
okay.
hot.
Yeah.
I'm just doing like this the easy shit on top before I jack it up.
Yeah.
Mason's gonna get the bumper off here in a minute.
Alright. Oh, alright. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Unplug the battery or whatever. Take everything that needs to come off.
Is your hatch pretty clean? Cause like,
Yeah.
Like nothing's in there.
There's nothing in there.
This is what I do. We can
Watch,
take
hold
the
it.
camera
I
stuff out.
Yeah.
I like to put the parts back in the hatch so they stay with the car.
So this is my tripod and stuff. I'm gonna be leaving my camera probably here, then we can get this serious and stuff like that. But if you start having a cylinder misfire or whatever, and your car kind of sound like a Subi, you definitely know you blew a motor. So don't play with that stuff, you know. Once you blow it, just you blow it. Like there's nothing you can do about it, you know. It's game over, right? There's nothing you can do about it. I was amazed that I blew my motor though, cause I mean I kind of raced a couple people and stuff like that, but I don't think that cost it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Is this whoever I put it?
I had too much fun. That's gonna be a 13.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take it off there. I'll take it off in the back then.
But yeah, I had my fun.
So first step before you even try to take the engine off, disconnect the battery. You know, take the intake out, and I don't know what this is, but you unplug it.
Yeah.
Just unplug it. Anything that is with the motor, unplug it. That's it.
Yeah. Those are your cam position sensors.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So you can't position sensors. AJ said. Oh, this is AJ, by the way. He owns a 14ST. His Instagram. What's your Instagram, bro? White.
That white Foss. It's actually funny because it's on my hoodie, but I took it off. I don't want to get it dirty.
All right. And my man's Mason. What's your Instagram?
Mason_Nickel22.
All right. Y'all go check out my man's. I'm gonna link their stuff in the description too.
All right.
Yeah, this car is done, bro. That's crazy.
Yeah, this light.
Dude, I love the color.
He's taking everything out like kind of in a smart way, you know. So right now we're doing the intake out first, and then you know whatever comes out next. So intake goes in how? Like this? Yeah, I think so. So yeah, like that. This is actually Mason's house. You know, this is not my house. This is Mason's house, and we're doing this here. He's a really nice guy. We just met a couple days ago. Through his freaking car, you know. Oh yeah, that's what I broke the one time, bro. That shit was so hard to take off.
They're very hard.
And if you don't take the time, you freaking break that damn thing too. It sucks.
Well, the older ones are different. Ours are different.
Easy, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the mechanism right there. Oh, okay. So you push it down a little bit.
I pushed it down and back a little bit, and it helps. It lifts that. See that?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So now you know how it works.
Yeah.
But you press straight down, it might not be enough.
Yeah.
So.
Wow.
My voice
How long do you think this is gonna take for us to get it done, bro? Give it a guess.
Get it out? You get it out probably 3, maybe 4. Maybe 4 hours at most.
4 hours?
Maybe 3.
I was guessing like the whole day, bro.
We're chilling right now.
I mean, like, it is 4 right now.
Yeah.
So we won't be done probably till 9 with just because we're gonna have to take a break, get food, and we have to run to the store. You know, we're not in a rush.
I'm gonna get the coolant and stuff tomorrow.
Right now, the car is way too hot for me to even really like dive into it.
What's nice is that we know what to, like.
Right to do, 'cause you already did one.
We did this like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
It's just same shit, just a different body style, really.
Exactly. It's basically the same shit regardless. So right now he's disconnecting the intake. This is my Cub those shifter bullshit.
Oh, this is this thing. That's
Yeah, that's
out. That's
sounds
deleted.
supposed. Yeah.
It's
just bolts. Yeah, there's a screw right there.
We'll get it out then.
Yeah.
Are you putting the bolts back in, Mace?
I have them in my pocket, but I'll put it back in.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. And this makes us huge. Dog, he's huge.
You saw how I did that?
Alright, so for now we are trying to disconnect every little wire that we see or can get to as of now, you know. So we disconnected so many wires. I don't even know where some of the wires go to, but this I know this probably for the intake ain't. This right here. It looks like it.
Might be. I mean, not once stuff's out of the car, I don't really know.
Yeah.
But like once we start putting stuff back in, I know there's only one spot to do it to.
Yeah. So we already got the intake stuff out, and what is this? What is this for?
It goes to here.
I know, but I'm saying, what is it for?
That is for something for your fuel.
Okay. So something with the fuel is cool, though.
I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I
Mason, what is this?
Yeah, put it
What?
back on. That right there. Mason is actually a mechanic, so he knows a lot of stuff too.
That looks like.
I don't know. I know it's just a housing that we put the cam into. So
Yeah.
fuel pump.
Yeah,
No,
the
that's
full
yeah
pump.
because what was that? Doesn't this connect to the mass air? I meant the throttle body.
Nah.
This one goes back this way.
Oh, I see.
So as you guys can see, we unplugged most of the harnesses off the motor, and now we're in the process of taking the bumper off and stuff like that. We got the headlights out. Looks like AJ did this a couple times, so he's like used to this. You know what I mean? He's like out here sliding around. But yeah, other than that, I don't think this should be a hard job. I mean,
Mason, where's the ratchet?
it's just we need to figure a way to get all these harnesses and find all the harnesses that's connected to the car, bro.
Take that 10, put that away. This is
All right. So now we got the front bumper off, and look at that beautiful intercooler right there. And yeah, car's almost half apart right now. He's getting the bottom end out, and then we can get to the transmission and all the cool stuff. You know what I mean? But for now, it's almost half there. I wish we would have took the whole front end off, but AJ said we're gonna work around it, so that's cool. You know what I mean? This dog loves attention, bro.
AJ, I just.
Alright, so at this point, we got all the wiring kits out, you know. So all the wires that connects to the car right here. Took the manifold off of it. Look at all the color builds in here. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to get that, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, never mind. But yeah, so halfway to the damn transmission, we took the transmission fluid out, the coolant and all that. Just left with the oil or whatever. But at this point, that's where we at. Just an update for you guys, and make sure to check out my man's IG. You know what I mean? White_Ford Focus. Wait, what is it?
it's that_white_faucet.
Alright, you heard that. I'm gonna link it right down there. You guys go check out his IG page. My man's be like going ham on shit, bro. Like, I would have never been able to do this shit within this amount of time, bro. Like, he did this shit in like less than how many hours? Less than 4 hours, 3 hours?
2 hours?
2 hours, yeah.
With a half-hour break.
Yeah, with a half-hour break, and we ready to get the motor out through this bitch right now, and then yeah. So basically, that's the progress right now at this point. Now, yeah. Now the hood is coming out. This guy works like crazy, man. Oh man.
Alright, watch out for the cherry picker. Just bring it around.
Watch out, Madison. Don't hit.
Watch out for the thing on the
Yeah.
ground.
You see the creeper right there? Yeah, I don't want you to hit that.
Take an L.
That'd be a quick fall.
Here, they'll get it on video too.
Yeah. That'd be horrible. Oh, there it is.
Can we get a towel? Yo, Mason.
Can we get?
Hold on, I don't like the way it's going up.
Yeah, do why? It's because I need to get the
Rest. There we go. There we go.
well, and I have to get the jack on the what's it called?
Oh, on the back. So pop the garage door.
Well, and I have to get this.
Or no, we don't even have to pop the garage door. I can stick it right under.
All right, Jack's over here. Come get it.
Okay, I'm gonna stick it under.
Like blow off valve attachment thing. The vacuum lines.
Better put it in.
Okay,
to
hold on,
get out.
hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Go down, go down, go down. Yo, go down.
I'm not the one doing it. Chill the fuck out.
Okay, I'm just saying, there's shit on here.
I know. Alright. This fucking light, just get out of your hand. Blind the shit out of me and piss me off. Not you. We don't need it. We don't need it.
I'm just set it up, bro.
No, you can leave it there. Hold on. We're good.
This just pulls off, but I don't know what to connect.
No, I'm not worried about that right now. The blow all that.
Yeah, because this is on that pipe. That's why I wanted you to lower
Let me
it.
see.
That literally just like crushed this whole pipe. This right here.
Actually, we got way too many fucking people in here. It's irritating.
You see? Like that was just going up against it. That's why I was telling you guys lower it, lower it, lower it.
No, we're good. It's off.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I was just a little scared. I didn't want anything to break and go everywhere.
I'm worried because of the fuck.
We're hitting up against the downpipe a little bit, but like it'll just like go right with the downpipe. It's not gonna crush it.
And we have to kind of push this way. It's like we got to tilt it kind of. We got to do it more. Oh shit.
Use your phone to record it too.
Give me your phone. How is mine?
What? Which ones? Yeah, they got the turbo. The regular turbo.
Here, I'll go first.
Alright. I'll use these.
Oh, okay.
You kill this guy?
Alright.
Slippery.
You gotta.
You ready?
This one.
Bro, I need this late, bro.
Oh, it's dying.
You ready? I'm trying to make sure this. A minute when you're ready, bro.
You good?
Ready?
Go slow.
See the axle good?
Hang on, stop. Are we hitting there? What?
We're gonna hit this, bro.
This. I know how to figure it out. Stop backing up. We're hitting something, stop doing up. Hang on. Touch it. Watch out. Use this. Alright. We have to
Alright,
push.
you want me to push it and watch you jack it up?
What? Huh? It's going to be. Which are you doing? Shit, I'm slipping. It is hella slippery. I told you earlier. Oh, we're still hitting that. Hang on. I have to lift this up, I think.
How about you do it then? I push it this way.
Yep. Okay. Go up with it a little bit slow. Just slow. Okay, stop. We're hitting something. It's a strap. The strap has to go up higher. Alright. Hang on. It's because we're too tilted now. I'm coming down. Is that strap look okay back there, bro? Where the tear is, can you see it? Is it getting worse or no? What am I hitting? The axle stop. Okay. No, the axle's still in. Pull that shit off here. Alright.
What's this, bro?
Trying to like turn the cream.
I know. Oh yeah, I can do that. I have to turn it this way though. Someone grab that axle. Damn. But lift that axle, you ready? I'm sliding this back. Thank God.